Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my artillery luger. Here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, so first you need a full sheet of paper, like so, but this is a quarter size paper, but of course you can also have a regular size paper. And now you want to fold it in half, like so. And the center crease line should be on the bottom side, like this. And you want to fold up this corner. So you want to bring this edge right here, right on to the top, like so. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. So bring this edge to the top and make sure, of course, check if the center crease line is on the bottom. Okay, and now you're going to fold them in, so unfold them. Okay, and open this up right there and fold that crease line in. Okay, follow the crease line and fold in the corner. Like so, and same thing here. Okay, and now you see this edge right here, the smaller edge, bring that right up to the top edge here. Okay, and make sure it's lined up nice and well, like so. Okay, and make a good crease there. And now we're going to sink this inside, so unfold it like so, and open up that whole area. And you see that smaller rectangle in the middle? You see all the crease line? You're gonna fold them up, okay? All like that. Okay. And now you see that V right there, that triangle? You're going to fold up that triangle like so. And same thing on the other side. Fold that up and fold the whole piece down. Okay, and now make sure the longer edge is facing towards you and the smaller edge is in the back. Okay, and now you're gonna fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and make sure the center crease line it's on top. Okay, okay, like this. And you see this top layer right here. You want to fold this back, then you want to fold this whole thing up again. Like so. So this is going to be the rear sight. Okay, and now you see this triangle on top? You're gonna fold in that triangle. So you see where this corner is? You're gonna fold right where that corner is, and you're gonna fold this triangle down. Okay, then you're gonna unfold, then you're gonna open up this pocket and fold in that triangle. And now you see that bottom layer right here? You're gonna fold that bottom layer all the way down. Okay, so there's gonna be the pistol grip. And then you're gonna fold that, you're gonna drag it back and fold it in a slight slant like that. Okay? Like so. And now you're gonna fold this forward. So you see where this corner is right there? You're gonna fold this whole triangle back like that. Okay? And now bring this corner right up to this top corner right there. Okay? Like so. And then you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down. Okay, then you want to fold up all the corners, okay, to round it up. So that's going to take some time. Okay, like so, but you don't have to fold the top part. Okay, and now you want to kind of drag this right up so that corner touches the top. Okay. And then bring the rest of this piece back. Okay. Kind of open that pocket and kind of slide that, drag that back. Okay. And it doesn't have to be even in the back. It's gonna be a little uneven now. And now bring these two edges right up to the top. And make sure this edge right here is straight, okay? And hide that in the back. And now we're gonna fold in this corner right here. Okay, so open this up and fold that corner inside. Okay, then fold it back down. Okay, and now the grip. I'm gonna fold this triangle up where this corner is, like so, and bring this back edge to the bottom edge right there. Okay, and now that corner to that back corner. Okay, then you want to open up this pocket right here, but you want to open that whole thing up first. That will help. Okay, then fold that down. Then you see that triangle right there. You want to fold up that triangle. Okay. And now we want to fold in this corner right there and fold the front corner as well. Okay, then you want to fold the back edge a little bit to shape out the pistol grip. Okay, just like that. And now you're gonna zigzag fold this portion. Okay, like that. So I guess you can pre-crease it. So about, right there. You want to fold this, leave a little bit of space right here. So of course this is the rear sight. Fold that back. Kind of, I don't know, I think you need more space, so. About that much. Then fold it back forward. Okay, then unfold. And you're gonna open this bottom up and fold in those crease lines. Okay. Just like that. Then you want to flip it over to the back side and fold this whole thing in half, okay? So bring this bottom edge right up to the top, okay? Like so, and flip it over to the front again. And now you see this front edge right here. You want to fold that right up to this corner right here. Okay. So fold that over. And then you want to fold in just the tip of that triangle. So kind of open up that front pocket and fold that right inside. Okay. Then you're going to zigzag fold right here. So fold the front side down. Then you want to fold it back up. Like that. And now you want to fold this piece down. Like so. And then you want to fold this whole piece forward. That, and make sure and make it so it kind of lines up with the barrel, okay? And then where that corner is, you want to just fold this whole thing back. Try to never mind. And you want to fold this two edge right here towards the center of this piece. to make the rear sight. Then you want to fold up that sight like so. Okay, then you want to round out the barrel. So turn to the back side and fold the whole barrel in half, or just up to the sight, and kind of round that out. Okay, so here's your, oh yeah, and then you want to square this top out right here as well, of course. So kind of fold that edge back right up to that, right up to here, where all the other pieces are, and try to square that out right there. Okay, so here is the artillery luger. Yep. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.